So we're on pump number 1. You wouldn't prepaid $20, right? Because the card reader's not working. So you already popped your little gas thing. Let's go in here. Go. This one, it's right here. Pulled this up, and it's popped out. So what you gotta do next is take this off. You may have to push in a little bit and turn left. And then hang it right here. See where that spot is? No?
Oh.
Right there. Now that'll hang for you. You already prepaid.
Which one do I hang?
You're gonna go with 87 octane, just regular octane. Pick the handle up, push the octane down.
Oh.
Okay. Make sure it's in there good, and then go ahead and start pumping. Okay.
It's not working. Oh, never mind, I got it.
And you prepaid 20. If it doesn't fit 20, you'll go get your change. But at $1.85.9, so $1.86, it'll hold 20, or it should. And it'll stop automatically since you're prepaid.
Yeah, it's like that.
If you didn't and you wanted to stop it at a certain point, you just let it go of the handle. There you go. You just kind of shake it so you don't spill gas. There you go. Then you hang it back up. Put your gas cap back on. Here's clicking. 3 clicks is what you got. Yep. And then shut it. There you go. And that's it.